Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Aimee.
Hi.
So today we're doing something that's really important. This has been requested by a few people, and I'm going to tell you something right now. Aimee is the one that's cooking this. I am not. And we're trying to be a little quiet because our roommate's still sleeping, but we're making turkey today. Aimee is really phenomenally awesome when she makes turkey. So this is our roaster pan, and if you don't have one, I really highly suggest you get one, because these are amazing.
It's not a roasting pan, it's a roaster oven.
Roaster oven, okay. All right, so here we got our turkey. Aimee, what did you do?
I melted about a cup of butter, and then I put some oregano and basil on it, sprinkled it. I turned the turkey over, and I used some apple wood, and I put that on.
Yeah, so
And then I put the roaster oven on 450 for half an hour. And now I turned it down to 325 until it's done.
yeah, so basically what Aimee did, she melted butter. She made sure that it was all over the turkey, which is really important because you want full coverage. And then she chose what spices she wanted. And she sprinkled them over. She turned the bird around. She did the same thing. And Aimee, could you explain again the temperatures?
450 for half an hour, and then 325 for the rest of the time.
And how long do you think this is going to take?
5 hours, 6 hours.
5-6 hours. Wow. It's going to take a while. But you know what, guys? Oh, say hi to Chef Sally. She has to put her 2 words or 2 cents in. And she's a very sweet little girl. But turkey is an all-day thing.
Yeah.
It's very it's intensive, but it's worth it. And I'll tell you something, you follow Aimee's directions and you'll make a perfect turkey every time. Just pay attention to pay attention greatly to your coverage. You may not need as much butter, or if you're cooking a bigger turkey, you may want more. But the butter does help make it a little bit more tender and juicier. Yeah, we have a lot of cooking gadgets, and still, we love you a lot. You have said that, and you're right, we do have a lot of gadgets, and that's fine. The reason we have them is because they all perform a purpose. This is so much better than using your oven, because now it's out of my kitchen, it's in the dining room, which you use for many different things, as you can see. But this will do a beautiful job on cooking a very juicy turkey. And Jess, I know you've asked how to do this. If you can find a really cheap roasting oven. We use this for turkey. We use this for roast. What else have we used this for? Or is that it?
I don't know.
We used it for a few things, but these are worth every penny, because this is sitting out here. You can sit there, put your turkey in, go back to bed, go play some games, go watch TV, go fight each other with your Nerf guns, whatever you want to do. So this is what making cooking great again is all about. And Sally said that she wants to be part of this video. Hi everyone, she says. I said, let's hit that like, share, subscribe button, and we see you in about 6 hours. So, welcome back to Paul's Kitchen. Chef Aimee's still awake, still here.
Hi.
And guess what else is done?
The turkey.
The turkey is done. So Aimee, come and get a nice shot of this. This is why you want a turkey roaster. Turkey.
It's a oven.
A turkey oven or whatever.
It's a roasting oven.
Roasting oven. Best thing you'll ever get for yourself, especially if you want to make turkey for your family. This is a smaller turkey. It's not a big one or anything like that. We do have another one, but this is what we're using today. All Aimee did is she put it in, put butter, put spices, set it in, turned it on, and waited. Now, you wait. You just wait. A lot of people will go out and they'll use their oven and they have to babysit it they'll have to stay there. Aimee and I have been doing pretty much everything under the sun this morning. Not really, but the point is that we didn't have to sit here and keep basting it. I mean, look at that. Is that not the best looking turkey you've ever seen? It's certainly one of them. But it didn't have to waste your time trying to baste, trying to do everything else. This is pretty healthy. Just a little bit of butter and some spice. That's it. Was there anything more to that, Aimee?
No.
And that's it. Now, is that not looking like that is going to be something really good for dinner tonight? Wish you were here, guys. Really do. But I've been asked how to make a turkey. This is our turkey. And Chef Poul didn't make this, by the way. Chef Aimee did. And Aimee makes the best turkeys of all. Nobody makes a better turkey than Aimee does. Hands down, I'll fight you over that one. Not literally, but Aimee really does. So Aimee, thank you very much.
No problem.
This is her turkey, and I'm telling you, you need this piece of equipment. You can put it in storage when you don't need it, but we don't need to just use it for turkeys. You can put roasts in there. You can put hams in there. What else would you put in, Aimee?
I don't know. Anything.
Yeah. You just stick it in it instead of warming your whole apartment or your whole house up with your stove, just use that. So let's help make cooking great again. Hit that like, share, subscribe button and say, Aimee, you're awesome. Now let me just show you the chef here because I'm really proud of Aimee. Lift that up and show everybody your turkey.
You already showed it.
I know, but I'm just proud of it. Look at that bird. Aimee's not going to do a jumping jack today. No, she's not. She's going to give you a big smile and say, come back again.
Come back again.
Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you soon.